Hey guys, all my viewers, my subscriber, everybody, my friend, know this. I love Hedera Hashgraph, and therefore one reason to I like this coin. To my brother, absolutely this coin were very badly falls down, but absolutely they will recover the all average of my brother loss now. So 14.95% they are profit and last month, and you know my brother, all coin were very badly falls down, especially in last month, my brother. But definitely Hedera Hashgraph will also, my friend, in the start of month will falls down, but after that they will start moving upward, and definitely just in only in 10 days, my brother, Hedera Hashgraph recover all the loss and get a profit. So 14.95, it's a very good profit now, and definitely I sell it, my friend, at the end of month. So therefore I love Hedera Hashgraph too, and just in only in every month they will give me a profit, so I like it. And I just absolutely, this is not a financial video, but I just advise you of this to Hedera Hashgraph, one of the good options. This is very comfortable coin, my brother. So if you have any plan to invest in Hedera Hashgraph, so I recommend you, my brothers, to this coin is very good. Kindly invest now and get every month get a profit. So hope you understand, my brother. Let's predicate this coin, my brothers, to what they do in upcoming days. Can they will give you a profit or not? So this is the last 1 month chart, my brother, and as you can see here, the coin will moving in straightly and not falls down, just in only moving in upward direction. So that's clear, my brothers. To upcoming time, this coin is also moving upward now. So please, why you miss this chance? This time also, my friend, the price is very cheap. 0.22 USD dollar is the latest price. I know, my brothers, they will hit now in this month half USD dollar to 1 USD dollar. So that's clear, my brothers, they will hit half USD dollar. So why you miss this chance? Get a double profit and definitely, my friends, make us millionaire now. Let's see holder to what they do, but my prediction is going to positive now, and my opinion is also to please hold. And if you have any plan to invest more, so it's good time to invest now. And what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box, and don't forget to like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative energy and updates videos.